All right, another YouTube video. Like I said, I got lots of time this weekend, so gonna record tons of videos and post them all throughout the week. So this video is not as focused on trading in a sense, but really focused on the importance of having a routine and especially a morning routine. So for me, right, I'm in college, and this is probably the worst environment you can have to try to be successful, right? Like, you can't, well, for me at least, like, I'm staying up, like, late. I mean, which I guess is my choice, but it's kind of hard to go to bed when there's, like, lots of noise going around me literally all night long. I mean, the food, you can't eat healthy. I mean, you can try, but it's pretty hard to. Like, you're just not surrounded with, like, healthy options. You can't cook for yourself. Like, I mean, there's not a lot of like-minded people surrounding you, and if you're watching this video, you probably have the mind of not wanting to just go out and be a total degen for a couple years in college, or like however old you are. Like, if you have this mindset and watch this video, like, you probably want to eat clean food, you go to the gym, you want to develop good habits, right? And it's for me at least, it is hard to do this in college, but I'm still making it happen and still making sure I have a perfect routine and the best routine I can have to win my days, to win the weeks, to win the months. So I wanted to talk about the importance of the morning routine specifically. So, and I fell victim to this literally like a couple days out of this week, and that is exactly what led me to trading poorly and blowing my accounts. As stupid as it sounds, it is true. I guarantee it's true. And now looking back on it, I'm like, yeah, that's that's the reason why. So, the importance of the morning routine. So, like I said, a couple of days this week I slacked, and it's the reason why I didn't succeed in trading. So, what should I do these days where I slacked? So, firstly, I'll go off what I do on a normal routine basis, right? I wake up, markets open at 9:30. I wake up like 8:30, 8:45 typically. Get up, take my vitamins, hop in a shower. Gotta feel fresh, gotta feel clean, and then brush my teeth, do all that stuff, hygiene, and then I sit down, I relax before market, I do a little pre-market analysis, I pray, I literally meditate like at 9:20 or like 10 minutes before the market. I literally sit here. As dumb as it sounds, it calms down your entire mind. I literally sit here and go, literally meditate, just calm your mind before market. Because if you have a million different things running through your head, like stressing, like, holy fuck, dude, I need to make this much money. Oh my god, I'm like, oh, like, no, you literally need to have a calm mind. So what do I do to have a calm mind? I wake up, shower, feel clean, talk to God, meditate, make sure I have a calm mind, and I pop an energy drink just because, I don't know, they're nice. Gets me going in the morning. But I execute this routine every single trading morning, and without it, I feel like I'm not prepared for the trading day. I'm not prepared, or didn't prepare myself correctly for the day. So the days I didn't do this, which was Wednesday, no, it was mainly Thursday. I woke up, I got on my computer, and I saw a setup, and I was like, dude, I might take this. But this is without doing any steps of my routine. I haven't showered yet. I haven't brushed my teeth. I haven't taken my vitamins. I haven't prayed. I haven't meditated. I just woke up and hopped on the charts and was like, fuck it, let me long. And I took that trade. And and what happened after I took that trade? I blew my accounts. I literally blew my accounts. So you need, and I need, like, in order for me to have a successful day, I need to execute my morning routine that is filled with good habits, that just prepares me in order to have a good trading session and in order to have a productive day. It all starts the second you wake up. So this is me telling you that you need to either like write it down or do something, put it in like your freaking reminders or whatever. Wake up at the same time every day. Like, if you're in high school, before school, set a routine every single step. Fill it with good habits. If you're in college, do the same exact thing. This is what I'm doing. I execute the same routine flawlessly every morning. And if I don't do it, I feel like I haven't prepared myself for that day, and I'm more likely to fail. So you you seriously cannot wake up with still like brain fog, hop on the charts and be like, I think I'm getting long. Like, I mean, yeah, it might work sometimes, but you're gonna be much more mentally sharp when you wake up, feel clean, shower, brush your teeth, take vitamins, feel healthy, relax, calm your mind, do your market analysis, meditate, which meditating literally it takes you a minute. Just sit there, close your eyes. Simple as that. I guarantee you, if you do that before market open, you will be so much more calm and not feel forced or stressed going into market open or anything like that. And then really just after calming your mind, you just remind yourself, like talking to God or whatever, that like you remind yourself that just like you can say this while meditating, like, I know when I execute good psychology, I don't overtrade, I only execute on the highest setups. I know when I do this, then I'll be able to have peace of mind with the rest of my day and overall have a more positive day, compared to if you wake up, don't execute anything, just have bad habits, wake up, take a crappy trade, and then go on through the day, be like, oh my God, I'm an idiot. Oh, I just placed this crappy trade, right? Like, wake up, sharpen your mind, make sure you're fresh, make sure you're calm, go on through your trading day, and then with all these things, with all these already good habits installed, these good habits will just directly translate over to your trading, probably, right? So like if you wake up with like probably smelling like crap, you wake up just, I don't know, bad head, whatever, not prepared, those bad habits will probably translate right over to you taking trades. So number one thing I would say, in order to start your day right and have a better success, or just overall help you greatly in your trading and your entire day, build a morning routine filled with good habits. I literally watched a Wade Houston video on this, and he is more than right. Literally have it so you don't have to make any decisions, right? So I don't have to make any decisions when I wake up. I wake up at the same time, 8:30. I take my vitamins. It's not even a decision, because it's literally clockwork. It is literally clockwork. I wake up, I take my vitamins, I get in the shower, I brush my teeth, I pray, I meditate, I do my market analysis, I go into the market with a calm mind, and I execute the trades. It's simple as that. I don't even have to think, because it's just routine. It is routine, and I have a routine filled with good habits, which allows me to bring over good habits into the market and have good habits throughout my day. So you need to install good habits into your morning routine, because I feel like you need that. You absolutely need that. That is what has helped me a lot. Like before I was doing that, I was honestly struggling a lot. So try that out. I guarantee you it really helps you be more calm, have a calmer mind going into market, and overall just makes you have a more productive, positive day going throughout the day. So routine wise, make sure your morning routine consists of lots of good habits, and have it so you don't even have to make a decision. Just have it, clockwork routine, and I guarantee these good habits will improve your whole mental throughout your entire day. It will kickstart your day. And also, one thing I forgot to mention with my morning routine and your morning routine as well, even though I said I have an energy drink, make sure you drink water. Drink water is also, it just, I don't know, it makes it feel good. So main keys to this video: make sure your morning routine is no decisions made. You wake up, same thing every day. It will make you have a better day, I promise. So do that. After this video, get a notebook, open it up, write down, wake up at X time, take a shower, take my vitamins. Maybe I do this, maybe I do that. Maybe I eat some fruit, maybe I do this. Write it down right now and try it on Monday or tomorrow. Please do it, and I promise you, you will feel better. You will feel so much better and be more productive throughout the entire day. So that's the point of this video. Do that, and hopefully it improves your productivity, allows you to have a calmer mind going into the markets, Allows you to have peace of mind knowing you're doing the right thing. Every morning, wake up, kill the day. You wake up ready to like conquer the world, right? You wake up, you're like, okay, shower, vitamins, do this. Okay, let me crush the day. Let me make 5K on a trade. You're ready to crush the day. So make sure your morning routine is absolutely baller and allows you to kill the day. So that's what I got in the YouTube video. So yeah, see ya.